In this video we're looking at some of the terms and definitions associated with matrices. First question here asks us to give the order of each of the following matrices. Now the order is just a reference to the number of rows and columns in each. Always give the number of rows first and then the number of columns. So this one, for example, has 4 rows and 2 columns. It is a 4 by 2 is its order. The order of this one, 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 by 4. And this one has 3 rows and 1 column. Its order is 3 by 1. This matrix has got 3 rows and 4 columns. Its order is 3 by 4. We're asked what element is in row 3 and column 2. Row 3, column 2, the element is 2.9. And what is the location of the element 2.2? Well, there's 2.2. It looks to be in the second row and the third column. So its location is row 2, column 3. And another example, we've got a bakery, 3 bakers, Tom, Sarah and Joseph, and they bake different numbers of bread and pies. We have to represent it by a 3 by 2 matrix. Well, if it's 3 by 2, that means that we've got to have 3 rows and 2 columns. I'm going to do it like this. Now there's 3 rows, there's 3 bakers, so we're going to have to put the bakers in the rows and the breads in the columns. So the bakers are Tom, Sarah and Joseph. So Tom, Sarah and Joseph. And they're each baking bread or pies. Okay, so Tom bakes 40 loaves of bread and 15 pies. 40 bread and 15. Sarah bakes 28 of each. 28 bread, 28 pies. And Joseph bakes 45 pies. And I suppose no bread. Alternatively, we can have the same data on a 2 by 3 matrix. So it's the same information, only this time we're going to have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the 2 rows are this time going to be for bread and pies, and the columns are going to represent the bakers, Tom, Sarah and Joseph. So we've got Tom, he bakes, remember, 40 bread and 15 pies, so this will be Tom's column. Sarah's column, 28 of each. And Joseph bakes no bread, but 45 pies. It's going to end up something like that. Last question, what is the location of 15 in the first matrix, and what does it represent? There's the 15, so its location is row 1, column 2. And what does it mean, or what does it represent? It shows that Tom bakes 15 pies.